Okay, welcome back to our live. This is our fourth and last game ngayong araw. This is the battle between the West Crame Elementary School versus the Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Ayan. May technical free throw for a uniform. Walang uniform daw po ang Pedro Cruz. And a first basket para sa West Crame Elementary School. Alright. Second. Jump ball tayo. First ball ang mapupunta sa West Crame. Uy. Uy, wala. Rebound ng Pedro Cruz. Number 32, no good. Sorry, that's a nabitawan. Step back to in and out. Steal ng Pedro Cruz. Ay na, number 30, high pickup. Uy, sayang. Number 1 with a putback. And a first basket para kay jersey number 1 ng Pedro Cruz. And that's a double dribble.
Saan naka-live yan?
Ay.
Picture mo ba? Picture lang.
Sige, sige. Ito. Thank you.
Ba't ikaw naglalabas? Doon tayo maglalabas pagkano ikaw?
Galit na si coach.
Habang dito araw mo.
Let's go! Bola ng Pedro Cruz. Let's go. Ayan na, number 13. Oopsie! Bad pass. Number 15. Oh. Uy, nakalusot. Ang West Crame. Parang familiar faces yun. Ayan na. Uy. Nabitawan. Number 7. What a pass. Lang. Sikad. Oopsie. That's a 8 seconds violation. Bola na ang West Crame Elementary School. There we go. Gets the 3. Uy, short. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 15, Santos. For 3-point play. Or 3 points. Tatlo daw po yan, tatlo. First shot is good para kay Santos.
Keren, shooter! Box out!
Second shot, basket. 2 for 2 para kay Santos. Dalawa lang po pala, sorry. There's a foul. Number 13. Pass number 1. What an extra pass. Number 9. Uy! Number 30. Pass to number 13. Pinasa kay Sikad. Sikad! Ball! Nakalusot! Ano ba? Sorry, correction. May Efram mo, ha? Tama ba, Pineda?
Magkakasot kayo, wag kayo tumigil dito, mag-press kayo.
Correct me po, Efram Rock. And jersey number 32. Nabasa isang kalamangan ng West Crame. Oh, steal! Number 1. Ay na, uy! There's a foul! Number 5. Bounce pass, nice pass, and 1. Basket count and 1 para kay number 13. That is De La Cruz. Change favor, lamang na ang Pedro Cruz Elementary School. No good, offensive rebound. Steal ng West Crame. Ay na. There's a foul. Number 13, De La Cruz. That's a blocking foul. Second 5 tayo.
Depensa tayo, Kurt! Depensa tayo!
Block. Uy. Steal. Number 30. And there's a foul.
Tulong!
And shooting on the line, jersey number 30. Sorry, di ko mabasa.
Hey, hey! Free throw, free throw!
Salihan ko, alam ko.
Pera mo muna yung jersey mo, ano? Hindi, kaya rin. Pera mo yung jersey mo. Hindi po. Electrical na po. Hindi ako kasing jersey.
Basket. Tabla tayo sa 6.
Number 4.
Second shot is good. Change. Oh. Basket daw po. Change favor. Lamang na ang West Crame.
Jog!
West Crame delaying the game.
Dito ka na.
Kaya na Pedro Cruz, crossover. Oy! Sayang. Kaya na si number 1, steal. Uy, bumangga sa pader. Steal, pakukuha ni number 4. Number 4. Steal by number 1. Basket is good by jersey number 1. Number 18. But there's a foul. Timeout. Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Yan natin ang adel ni Coach Gideon Bautista and the rest of the Pedro Cruz. Alright, back to the ball game. Bola ng West Crame. Oh, steal! Pass to number 8, and there's a foul, number 7. Shooting at the line, jersey number 4 from West Grame, Manzano. First shot para kay Manzano, wala. Rebound. Still, ayun na. Number 3, dire-diretso. Uy, wala. He get their own miss. My jersey number 3. And make a shot. Ayun na. Uy. Nakalusot, side step. Uy, block. What a defense para kay Pedro Cruz. Uy, may foul, number 7. Dalawa na daw po, dalawa na. Si number 7. Shooting on the line, jersey number 13. Wala.
Rebound tayo! Hojum!
Second shot is good. Correction. Official score 10-8. Ayan na, bola ng Pedro Cruz. Another steal para sa West Grame. Wala. Rebound by number 4. Pass number 2. Pinasa sa loob. Uy. Take a shot. Wala. Rebound by number 3. Number 3. Uy. Number 18. Ayun na. Uy. Ganda ng pasa. Sayang. Nakita. Number 3. Good defense doon para sa West Grame. Bola rito ng Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Number 18. Spin. Uy. What a draw. Yun lang. Wala. Rebound. Ayun na si number 1 all the way. Basket. Official score 12-8. Oh, another steal. Out of bounds. Munti ka na. Alright, bola rito ng Pedro Cruz, number 3. Uy!
Uy, wala pa yun! Kalahati pa lang, oh. Hindi pa nakakatawid. 2 feet.
Referee pa.
At,
Ayan na. Oh, there's a foul. Number 4. Shooting the line. Jersey number 13. No good. Ayan na. Second shot para jersey number 30.
rebound, rebound!
Last 23 seconds. Let's go. Ooh, basket. Ayan na. Number 3. Ooh. Gets a 3. Uy! Medic, medic. Kaya pa daw po, kaya pa. Kaya pa, idol.
Lagi po ulo eh.
Time remaining, last 7.9 seconds. Bola rito ng Pedro Cruz. Si Nicolas pala yun, si Idol, Nicolas. Okay, bola rito ng Pedro Cruz. Last 7.9 seconds. Oh, steal ng West Crame. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oy, get the miss. What a good defense para sa Pedro Cruz. End of the first quarter, official score 13-8 in favor of the West Crame Elementary School. Alright, second quarter tayo. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol dito ang tropa ng Pedro Cruz. Okay, back to the ball game. Sports. Still. Ay na, naka-recover. Walang tawag. Binigay sa corner. Wala. Rebound ng Pedro Cruz. Uy. Walang tawag. Agad yung referee. Ay na, si number 30. Still by number 15. Number 15. Outlet pass. What a fake. Wala. Rebound. Number 15. Nadulas. Steal. Pass number 30. Number 27. Floater, no good. Ay na. Number 7. Number 1 for 3. Bang. 3 points. Para jersey number 1. Number 30. Crossover behind the back. Binigay. Steal. Ay na. Nagmamadali ang West Crame. Derecho. Wala. Rebound by number 7. Kick out. Floater. Wala. An offensive rebound para sa West Crame. Number 1. Pass number 15. Bang! 18-8. Lumalaki na po ang kalamangan ng West Crame. Uy, steal by number 1. Pass number 15, pass number 7. Up and under, wala. Rebound ni number 2. Oh, steal. Block. Oh, sorry, correction. That's a foul. Number 14. Shooting in the line na jersey number 8, Pablo. First shot is good para kay Pablo.
Simon, box out! Simon, box out! Box out sa shooter!
Second shot para kay Pablo. Basket. 20-8. Ayun na. Pass number 2. Ooh, bad pass. Bola na ang West Krame. Uy! Number 15. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Block by number 2. Uy! Good. High pick up. Piligay. Number 30. Naka-recover. Oopsie. And that's it. 3 seconds violation. Wala na ang West Krame. Uy. Ayun na, number 15. Number 15, binigay. Number 24, wala. Rebound. By number 2. That's Rama. Outlet pass. Uy, still. Good. Naka-recover ang West Krame. Number 7. Pass to number 1. Number 1, 4-3. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Another steal para kay number 8. Out of bounds. Eight seconds violation. Bola ng West Krame.
Sir, 5 minutes, pwede na tayo magsaba. Pagkaraubos lang yan.
Ay na. Uy! That's a traveling. Hindi pwede yan, idol. Ay na. Number 30. Lacson, number 27. Wala. Oh, steal by number 7. Lorica, 4-3. Uy, short. Excuse me po. Substitution.
Alit, bilhin na i-send ko. Wala ako sa ulong. Aba mo. Stop, stop. Stop. Stop.
Ayan na, no good. Icho.
Yeah, waiting room.
Rama on the free throw area, jersey number 1. Shot. No good.
I know.
Second shot, wala. Rebound ng West Krame. Oopsie, there's a foul.
Hey, 1-3-1. 1-3-1.
Uy, top of the key, 4-3, short. Rebound ng Pedro Cruz. Steal. Number 4. Uy, spin. Uy, wala tawag ating referee doon. Steal. Nicolas and that jam ball. Bola ng West Krame.
Get up, wing, wing.
shot. Wala. Rebound by Caleb. Oopsie. There's a foul, number 4, Manzano. Nicola, uy! Nasa corner, no good. Rebound by Rama, and one! Basket count and 1 para kay Rama.
Big ball Belga.
Jersey number 1 on the free throw area for 3-point play. Rama! Basket yan! Baba sa single digit na lamang ang hinahabol ng Pedro Cruz. Ay na! Uy! 8 seconds! Violation! Good defense para sa Pedro Cruz. Bola ng Pedro Cruz. Caleb, pass number 13. That's a traveling violation.
Hey, fresh tayo! Jacoy, dito ka! Sakto ka dito! Sakto ka dito! Kaya po kailangan dyan!
Bola ng West Grame. Oopsie. That's a stepping on the line. Bola ng Pedro Cruz. Nicolas, pass to Rama. Uy, wala. Offensive rebound by Rama. Sayang, munti ka na ulit. On the free throw area, jersey number 1, Rama. Oopsie, short.
Busog!
Second shot para kay Rama. Let's go, Rama. No good. Offensive rebound by Caleb. Boy, steal. Ay na ang West Grame. Number 5 looking for his teammate. Pass to number 30. Number 30 nakalusot. Binigay sa corner. Number 2, too strong. Rebound. Out of crowd. Blue ball. Substitution.
Uy, bawal magsama! Pwede na,
Depende, second. Di ba pwede na pag, pag 5 minutes? Second. Ayan po. Ayan na, Rama. Ayan na, derecho! Oh! What a bat by Rama! Sumabay ka ma! Sabi ni Rama.
Enrique!
Bonus shot for 3-point play para kay Rama. Ay, mo, pili-pilikat ka. Bonus shot, Rama. Wala, rebound by Caleb. Caleb! Ay na! Humahabol na ang Pedro Cruz! Basket count and 1 by jersey number 32. Mukhang pinalikat na nga si Idol dito. Eh, shoutout pare, shoutout ka wala. Okay, time remaining, last 37 seconds. Basket count and 1 para kay Caleb. Tama na, first Caleb daw. or Kiko. Shooting on the line for 3-point play. 5 na lang ang hinahabol ng Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Ayun na. Second shot. Oh, ball shot. Oh, another offensive rebound. Rama again! Woo! Grabe. Iba lang matangkad. Tatlo na lang ang hinahabol ng Pedro Cruz. Let's go. Last 27 seconds para sa ating first half. Ayun na. Running shot. Short. Bola lang. Pedro Cruz. Ayun na. Binigay. Pass to Rama. Rama. Oy! Block! May number 14. Inabot. Kitang-kita, Blanca. Ni number 4. Last 8 seconds. Rama, wala. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala. And that's the end of our first half. Official score, 20-17 in favor of the West Crame Elementary School. Grabe yun, idol. Alright, second half tayo sa ating pagbabalik. Lamang na 3 ang West Crame. Let's go, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Pedro Cruz. Let's go, second half tayo. Pinasa kay Rama. Wow! 19-20. Ayan na. Guys. Mama technical kayo dyan, bahala kayo. Mama technical kayo. Mama technical. Gilid lang. Huwag dyan, gilid. Huwag dyan. Dito, gilid lang. Side step, no good. Out of bounds. Bola lang. Pedro Cruz. There's a foul. Shooting the line para sa West Crame, jersey number 4, Manzano. No good. Bossing. Second shot is good. Para kay Manzano. 21-18, 2-point lead. Oh, steal. Number 30, block. Pass to number 7, step back 3. Wala, rebound. Number 15. Up and under, no good. Rebound ng Pedro Cruz. Ay na. Nabitawan. Out of bounds. Bola ng West Crame. Number 4. Uy, nabitawan. Get the shot. No good. Rebound by Rama. Outlet pass. Ay na. Oh, steal. Oopsie. There's a foul. Sub. Go.
Dapat pinigay. Tama ba eh?
Nasa corner. Jump shot. Short. Rebound by number 30. Number 30. Stop and pump. Wala. Rebound again by Manzano. Manzano binigay sa corner. 4-3. No good. Offensive rebound. Number 30. And that's a step in on the line. Bola ng Pedro Cruz. Oy, bad pass. Naka-recover. Steal by Nicolas. Pinasa kay Rama. Rama, atake. Binigay. Caleb, sidestep. Uy, no good. Rebound by Rama. Simple lang si Rama. Tabla tayo sa 21. Ayan na, it's an 8 seconds violation. Bola rito ng Pedro Cruz. Ayan na, binigay. Side step, uy, walang tawag. Rama, block, and there's a foul. May tawag ang ating referee doon. Wala pa po tayong oh, okay. Shooting the line ng jersey number 1, Rama. Basket is good by Rama. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa Pedro Cruz. Second shot. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ng West Crame. Ayan na, naitawid. Binigay. Oy, basket! Nag-flex na si number 30. Ruaya. Balik ang kalamangan sa West Crame. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Ruaya on the free throw area for the 3-point play. Ruaya, wala, rebound, makukuha. Bababalik sa West Crame. Ang bola. Number 1, binigay. Oy, Knockout play! Para sa West Crame. Another steal. Uy, wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Nicolas. Nicolas with the steal by Ruaya. Ruaya, and there's a foul. Timeout na pare. Timeout. Pedro Cruz. Elementary School. Yan natin ang adel ni Coach Gideon Bautista of Pedro Cruz. Alright, back to the ball game. On the free throw area, jersey number 30. That is Ruaya. Wala. Second shot para kay Ruaya. Time remaining 5 minutes and 3 seconds sa ating third quarter. Ruaya, wala. Rebound by Rama. Rama. Pass to Caleb. Tinigay, steal. Ayun na. Ruaya, and there's a foul. Sub. Go. Tawagin mo pare. Tawagin mo. Sa Limbangan coming in. Ruaya on the free throw area. First shot, no good. Second shot, wala. Rebound. Ay na, uy. Huli. Bola rito ng West Crame. Ayun na, ang Pedro Cruz. Uy, bad pass. Steal ng West Crame, binigay sa corner. 4-3, too strong. Rebound by Rama. Uy. Grabe ang ball handle ni Rama dito. Oy! Nicolas will recover. Ayun na si Nicolas. Oh, steal! Ayun na si Ruaya. Too strong. Rebound by number 7. Number 7 for 3. Short. Rebound. Ayun na. Pinasa kay Rama. May taka ng bola. Pass to Caleb. Caleb for 3. Short. Rebound by number 1. Ayun na. Uy! Double dribble. Substitution. Rama, sub na lang. Ayun na. Umatake. Uy, nakalusot! Nice move para kay jersey number. Hindi ko makita. Baba mo na ba rin? Pababa. Upo lang. Mag dead ball ha. Ayun na, binigay sa corner. Number 1 for 3. Short. Sub. Go. Tawagin nyo pare, tawagin nyo. Ayan, thank you. Okay, ang papasok ay pumasok na at ang lalabas ay lumabas na. Okay, third quarter tayo. 2 minutes left. Almost. Ayun na. Uy, number 13. Uy. Ayun na. That's a jump ball. Bola ng West Grame. Bola ng West Grame po. Ayun na. Number 30. Ruaya. Pass number 7. Stop and pump. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ng West Grame. Pass to Ruaya. Tumira. No good. Uy, there's a foul. Bola ng Pedro Cruz. Ayun na. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 2. Ayun na. Uy! Block! Inaabot. Ayun na. Ang West Grame. Pass to number 30. Ruaya. Side step. Whoa! 27 to 24. Out of bounds. Bola na Pedro Cruz. Last 36 seconds. 26. Oh, still. Out of bounds. Last 21. 21 seconds. Number 18. Oy, bad pass. Number 30, sorry. Sub go, tawagin yung mukha. Johnson coming in. Let's go. Bola ng West Grame. Last 9 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oy! My foul! Ang tinawag. On the free throw area, jersey number 1, Negrito. Number 1, no good. Second shot para kay Negrito. Basket. Alright, that's the end of our third quarter. Official score, 28 to 24. 4-point lead para sa West Grame Elementary School. Alright, 4 lamang po ang lamang ng West Grame. Tingnan natin ang Adel muna ng Pedro Cruz. Ano ba to? Let's go! Fourth and final quarter. Dikitan lang ang ating laban sa pagitan ng West Grame versus the Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Sino kaya magwawagi sa labanang ito? Let's go! Caleb. Pass to Nicolas. Binigay kay number 14. Pass to Caleb. Caleb, what a drop pass! Rama! No good! Offensive rebound by Rama! And there's a foul.
Nice pass!
On the free throw area, jersey number 1, Rama. First shot para kay Rama.
One
Wala.
shot! Salang, salang!
Second shot is good. Gets the three. Yes, sir. Para sa tres. Number 13. Number 13.
Kapoy! Kapoy!
Pass number 1, Negrito. Uy. Sub. Ada foul, 1. Foul number 1, Rama. First shot, no good. Second shot is good by Negrito. Oh, steal! Jump shot, no good. Rebound by Nicolas. Ayun na si Rama, nagmamadali. Oh. There's a foul, number 1, Negrito. Hands ko ba? Unsportsmanlike foul by jersey number 1.
Salang! Bravo!
Basket. 26-32, 6-point lead para sa West Crame Elementary School. Ayan na, bola ng Pedro Cruz. Take a shot, no good. Rebound ng West Crame. Out and pass. Number 15. Umatake. Wala. Rebound. Ooh, there's a foul. Oh, yeah. Hey guys. Sports lang. Walang ano. Naman ka sarog na. Cool down na kayo, cool down. Ayan ang desisyon nating referee. Tayo mo natin ang desisyon nating mga referee. Ha? Taking motion. Basket. Basket is good. 34-26. Uy, nabitawan. Nicolas, may tangan na bola. Ligay. Rama. Oh! There's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 1, Rama. Oh, good. Second shot para kay Rama. Basket. 27-34. Mahaba pa no. Kaya na. Pass number 4. 4-3. Uy, wala. Rebound. Number 2. Uy, munti ka na. Naka-recover. Number 2. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni Nicolas. Nicolas, binigay. Makakuha ng West Crame. Oopsie. Out of bounds. Bola ng Pedro Cruz. Oopsie, technical. It's a technical. Graduate. May sobrang intense na laban natin ngayong gabi sa ating last game. Okay, technical po ang West Crame dito. Isang player and a graduate. On a shot para sa Pedro Cruz. On a shooting on the line, jersey number 1, Rama. Time remaining 6 minutes and 6 seconds. Rama, wala. Last ball possession. Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Ayun na, Rama, nabitawan, naka-recover. Rama, wala. Rebound. Ayun na, pinigay. Number 30. Foul number. Graduate na daw po. Five na daw. Graduate na daw.
Kaya nga po, jersey kayo.
Ayun natin yung pala. Paalam. Ba yun, 30.
Wala pa naman pauling eh. Walang pauling eh. Dati sa kanila pa lang nung bata rin eh. Sino ba yung nilabas? Sino ba yung nilabas? Ang original? First foul. First foul. Dapat natin.
Mamaya, wait lang. Mamaya, sabi mo sa'yo. Itayosin natin ha. Wala pong graduate. Correction. Number 30, Ruaya. Spin move. Uy, block. Good defense para sa Pedro Cruz. foul. Apat anda, wala pa penalty. Sub. Let's go, sub. Negrito coming in for West Crame. Pass to Negrito. Floater, wala. Rebound by Rama. Rama, pass number 26. Pinagay kay Nicolas. Tumira, wala. Rebound. Makuha ng West Crame. Kick out. Oy, double dribble. Four minutes and 6 seconds po. Pass to Nicolas. Godesi. Uy! Grabe ang pagbangga doon. What? On the free throw area, jersey number 3, Nicolas. First shot, no good. Second shot para kay Nicolas. Wala, rebound. Ay, Jaboy, wala. Offensive rebound by Rama. Basket. 34-29 still by Jaboy. Number 13, wala. Rebound ng West Crame. Negrito, nag-aagawan. Makaka-recover ang West Crame. Ay na. Manzano, floater. Wala. Rebound by Rama. Pass to Jaboy. Pass to number 18. Binigay kay Nicolas. 4-3. Short. Rebound ng Pedro ng West Crame. Oy, still. Number 18. Pass to Nicolas. 4-3. Rebounds para kay Nicolas. Ayan na. Uy. Side step. Oh! Bilid lang kayo dyan. Kalma. Cool down. Time out. West Crame Elementary School. Grabe ang pinapakita. Ang puso na ni Nicolas and the rest of the Pedro Cruz para makahabol. Time out dito ang West Crame. Official score of 44-32 with the time remaining 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Ayan na. Bola na ang West Crame, ng Pedro Cruz. Oopsie! Out of bounds. Bola ng West Crame. Number 7. Number 30, Ruaya. Umatake. Oy! Nakahalusot si Ruaya. Oy! Another steal. Out of bounds. Ayan na. Last 2 minutes. Number 13. Ayan na. Tinigay. Uy, wala. 36-34 po tayo. Short. Rebound. Tinigay. Negrito with a spin. Negrito. Oh, still. Ay na, number 18. Uy, binigay, steal. By number 15. Whoa, steal. By Caleb, bad pass. Steal. And there's a foul. Number 32. Time out. Pedro Cruz. Time remaining 1 minute and 19 seconds. Tignan natin ang adel ng Pedro Cruz. Official score 36-34. 2-point lead para sa barangay. O para sa West Krame Elementary School. Ay, dyan na. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. Grabe. Ang intense na laban na to. Number 7 on the free throw area. First shot, no good. Ayan po, official score natin, 36-34 po. Lamang pa rin ang West Krame. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ng West Krame. Take a shot. Wala. Rebound by Negrito. Negrito. Steal. Makukuha. Walang tawag. Ating referee doon. Steal. Ayun na. Ayun na. Naka-recover. Ooh. There's a foul. Number 18. On the free throw area. Crucial free throw para kay jersey number 7. Bang! Basket na yan para kay jersey number 7. Second shot. Yes, sir! Apat ang ginahabol ng Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Makukuha. Uy! Out of bounds. Time remaining 1 minute and 1 seconds. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng West Krame Elementary School. Let's go. Ayun na. Sino natanggap ng bola? Binigay kay number 1, 4-3. Wala. Rebound pa rin ng West Krame. Umatake. Wala pa rin. Rebound, number 15, block by Rama. Bola ng Pedro Cruz. Ayun na, number 13, nagmamadali. Number 13, tumira, and there's a foul. Wow, ayun na, masusubukan dito sa free throw area. Si jersey number 13, that is De La Cruz on the free throw area. Bah! Wala na pong timeout ang Pedro Cruz. At meron pa ang West Krame. 35-38. Tatlo ang hinahabol. Crucial free throw para kay De La Cruz. Yes, sir! Ayan na. Dalawa na lang. Last 42 seconds. Binigay. Number 15, binigay, steal! By Rama! Ay na, Caleb! Oh, steal! By number 7! Walang tawag, ooh! There's a foul! Time out ba? Wala. Walang time out. Grabe yun. On the free throw area, number 7 na naman. That's Lorica. Coach Gijon. Coach Gijon. Coach. Coach. Ah. Time out. 14 section daw, mid-court. Okay, time out dito ang Pedro Cruz. Meron pa pala, sorry. ang Pedro Cruz Elementary School. 3-point lead para sa West Crame. Sino kaya ang titira? Sino kaya ang magliligtas para sa Pedro Cruz? Tignan natin. Is it a quick 3 or a quick 2 para sa Pedro Cruz? Malalaman natin yan. Let's go! Last 27.2 seconds remaining. Bola ng Pedro Cruz Elementary School. Si Rama mag-inbound. Sino tatanggap? Malalaman natin yan. Let's go! Ayun na, binigay. Nicolas for 3! Save the game! Tabla tayo, pero may natitira pa tayo. 24 seconds left. Time out ang West Crame. Tingnan natin ang handle ng West Crame dito. Tabla tayo sa 39. Grabe si Nicolas. Ang layo nun. Sabi sa'yo, quick 3 yun eh. Wow! The small and terrible Nicolas. Let's go. Tingnan natin kung magkakaroon tayo ng overtime. May pagkakataon bang tumira ang West Crame. Ayun na. Ayun na. Binigay kay Negrito. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Block by Rama. Ayun na. Makakuha ng West Crame. Ruwaya! Meron pa tayo. Tumasok yan. Ruwaya! 5. Ilan na lang? Meron pa tayong natitirang 9 seconds remaining. 9.2 seconds remaining. 41 to 39. Let's go! Both teams under penalty situation. Go, 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 go. Go, go, let's go! Last 9.2 seconds! Sino tatanggap para sa Pedro Cruz? Binigay kay Nicolas. Nicolas, binigay kay De La Cruz. De La Cruz, pinasa. Tinira! Tira! May foul! Ang tinawag! Oh my goodness! There's a foul! Grabe yan! It's a foul! Bonus free throw or a crucial free throw para kay jersey number 18 to save the game to overtime. Let's go! Wala na po tayo natitirang oras for the overtime. Is it a win or go home para sa Pedro Cruz? Ayun na! Ay, ay, ay! Psst, ay! What a nice, intense game! Woo! Grabe! Okay lang yan, bounce back sa ating next game. Grabe ang labang yun! Grabe ang last game natin to. Our final score, 41 o 40. Wala tayong overtime. Woo! Grabe. Ang pinakita. Shoutout. Shoutout. May shoutout kayo? Shoutout.
Shoutout sa mama ko yan.
Yan o. Hi, shout out. Alright. Our final score, 41-40. Panalo po ang West Carame. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. And good night. Maraming salamat po. And shoutout po kay lahat sa ating buting Mayor Franz Zamora, the rest of the team, at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ating liga dito sa San Juan City. Inter-Public School Basketball and Volleyball Tournament 2025 para sa ating makabagong San Juan. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Good night and God bless.